So today I wanted to do something creative. I came across this one TikTok of this guy who's like known for his like fashionable videos, and he just basically squirted a bunch of bleach on his trousers and it turned out super fashionable, so I really want to try that.
So after so many requests, I'm going to show you guys how I made these pants. What you need is bleach, some latex gloves to protect your hands, and some sort of bottle to squirt the bleach onto the denim. And obviously denim. Now start to squirt the denim with spots of the bleach. You can just do whatever you like and just have fun with it. I like to just play with the bleach and just let it do its thing. I think that's how you get the coolest designs anyway. Once it looks like this, let it sit. Then rinse and wash and dry and enjoy.
And so I was like, I think I can do this. I really believe I can. According to the TikTok, you just need 3 things. Bleach, a pair of gloves, and denim, like trousers, like jeans. I have a pair of jeans here. I love these jeans, but they don't fit the way I would desire. Like, frankly, I don't think she's working. They're high-waisted, yeah. They do the job. She's not doing much for my figure. Ooh. Maybe this is the angle. My plan of attack for the design, I actually want the jeans to look wearable. So, what I wanted to go for is kind of bleaching either sides of the waistband at the hip areas, just so it kind of giving an illusion of like more of a figure, kind of slimming, an illusion of an hourglass effect. I think it might look good. Dare I say great? Right now, my jeans are in the shower. I have laid down 2 bath mats. I have my bleach in a bottle. Okay, so I have no idea what to do. I think I'm slowly gonna put it around like these areas. Maybe like a pocket moment. Splotches, just random shit. Just cover it, drizzle it, just razzle dazzle. I'm not seeing any color left yet, so I don't know what to do about that. I don't want to go too buck wild with the dye. This smells not good. Mom, if you're watching this, I have the window open and I have the fan on. Times are tough, dude. You gotta craft where you gotta craft, you know? Oh, it's lifting! Ladies and gentlemen, we have liftoff. I don't want to put too much in the butt, because that will be kind of like, kind of nasty. If anyone was wondering what this smells like, it smells like your neighborhood swimming pool on its cleaning day. In the TikTok, it went from blue to white real quick, and there was no delay. But I think in real life, it may need a couple more hours. I don't want to wait 2 hours because I have things to do this quarantine, things to do, people to see. I have a feeling if I heat it up, that it might work faster. Whenever there is bleach on the hair, sometimes they put it in foil, or they heat it to kind of make it act faster. So what I'm thinking, if I blow dry this, maybe it will heat quicker and activate the bleach to then bleach and get rid of the color faster as well. In the light you can see it. The next morning, I am going to re-bleach the parts of the trousers which didn't get hit by the bleach that I thought it would, you know? Yesterday, I was quite haphazardly doing the bleach. I'm gonna quite controlled go over the areas I bleached, so it goes from like the light blue to like white. So it's the next day now. Basically, bleach on the hair gets more effective when it's heated up, so it's kind of like, wouldn't it make sense if you heated up this bleach to be more effective? So I put it in the tumble dryer, and I think it got quite good. Like, I've been spot treating it with my bottle, and I've just literally just been going kind of like, just rubbing it in kind of deal. Just kind of get the areas. So I'm going to leave that to soak a little bit longer and then probably put it in the tumble dryer for a little bit just to kind of really get attacked with the bleach, you know. Shockingly, I somehow made it go tits up. Halfway through, I had thoughts of, this isn't gonna work. And now we're here. Trying to make it work. As you kind of get around to the sides and you really start panning up the leg, the areas where I went a bit heavy-handed with the bleach have unfortunately seen better days. I'm really gonna try and make it work, but I think I did a bad thing. And you know what's like the most annoying thing? I can hear my mum telling me that this is gonna happen. No, you shouldn't bleach it for the 4th time. Because that might destroy the fabric. In my mind, when I was bleaching the jeans, when the color wasn't coming out, I kept adding more bleach. And I've seen so many bleach videos that I know that adding bleach on top of bleach doesn't help the situation. I really should have just washed it out and done it again. But I didn't. And that's why my pants are now fucked up. And I can only blame myself. Ugh. And that's the annoying thing, is I can only blame myself. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. I'm just so annoyed by this. I'm actually so annoyed. I'm just so annoyed. I'm just so annoyed. I'm just so annoyed. And I can only blame myself. Kakunta mañana. Unfortunately, the pants dissolved. And they're at a point now where I can either throw them out or I can try and salvage them. I'm gonna try and do the latter. So I have in front of me a sewing kit, and to be real, I do know how to sew. I'm better with a machine, but I don't have a machine with me anymore. I had such high hopes, but I just don't think.
The finished product.
Got kind of severed on the sides, like almost at the seam. That's why part of me feels like it could be salvaged. If it got like split in the fanning, I would probably not, but I don't know. I think I could sew it enough to make it look just slightly distressed. The design of them is kind of what I wanted, but now I can't wear them because it's got massive, massive holes in them. Okay, I wanted this to be a success so much. I tried very hard, but I knew I was making mistakes on the way, and I didn't correct them.
Obviously.
And now they're kind of really messed up. So like, from the bottom, that is literally what I wanted. Like the pigmentation is there. I love it. Like from the bottom, they look great. Then you get to the top part where I kind of was focusing the bleach and notice the fraying, the distressed look, just slightly distressed. This was split all down here, and then the same on the other side. Stitched it all the way up, and I tried so hard. I wanted so hard for this to succeed, but it just isn't. I tried hand stitching it, but frankly, it's not gonna hold. I wanted for these to be like brought back to life and for them to be like wearable and fashionable. I was gonna show up and show out, and I wanna bust it open and bust it wide, but all I'm gonna do is bust out of it because the sides are gonna split apart. It's just not gonna be a cute look when my jeans turn into tearaway pants unintentionally. So much possibility. Can you even see that? Like, I'm busting out the sides. Like, what if, like, just as pants? I'm very sad. Like, point blank period, they're not gonna work out. I always say it's future Douglas's problem. Here I am, future Douglas, wishing past Douglas would stop. Chef, more fail videos. I love fail videos. These are my new thing, fail videos. So, not good though.